2024 BMW X1. Starting at $41 EST. Highs. Nicely equipped from the base model up, cabin is spacious for its class, refined driving demeanor. Lows. Vague steering, all-digital dashboard may not appeal to everyone, noticeable turbo lag with entry-level Turbo 4. Verdict. BMW's entry-level SUV, the X1, has been a favorite of ours for some time thanks to its agile handling, eager nature, and practical shape. Overview. Although it sits at the bottom of BMW's SUV lineup, there's nothing entry-level about the 2024 X1. Its lithe handling and practical interior almost make the X1 a suitable replacement for the 3 Series station wagon that's regrettably absent from BMW's US product portfolio. The standard powertrain is a 241 HP Turbo 4, but the racier M35i trim comes with a 312 HP variant. Both come standard with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed automatic transmission. The cabin features both a modern design and modern tech, including BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system, a curved glass display, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There are 2 rows of seats which are both spacious for the small SUV class, but the Mercedes GLB class is roomier still and offers an optional 3rd row of seats. What the Benz doesn't have, however, is the BMW's driving verve. What's new for 2024? A spunky M35i xDrive model joins the X1 lineup for 2024, complete with a 312 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, an adaptive suspension system, and high-performance brakes. Unique 19-inch wheels are standard on the M35i and come with all-season tires, but 20-inch wheels with summer tires are optional. The exterior of the M35i wears a sportier look, with a revised grille design with larger air inlets, quad tailpipes, and black exterior trim. Inside, a set of sport front seats, faux suede interior trim, and an M-branded steering wheel. BMW's updated iDrive 9 infotainment software rolls out for the first time on the X1 and features improvements to the system's menu structure that is said to make navigating easier. Pricing and which one to buy. xDrive 28i. $41,000, EST. M35i xDrive. $50,895. We'd spring for the new M35i model to unlock the X1's performance potential. If you're in the mood to splurge, the optional premium package is worthy of your coin and includes a head-up display, in-dash navigation, a panoramic sunroof, a 360-degree exterior camera system, and more. Engine, transmission, and performance. Entry-level xDrive 28i models are powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 241 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard, as is a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The X1 xDrive 28i we tested shot to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds. Acceleration feels a bit less perky in the real world, as there's turbo lag that's noticeable during highway passing or merging maneuvers. Its suspension is tuned for athletic handling, which makes the X1 a fun drive for twisty roads. An optional M Sport package, don't get this confused with the M35i model, adds performance-enhancing features such as an adaptive suspension system and steering wheel-mounted shift paddles. The M35i, meanwhile, is the highest performance version of the X1 and boasts a 312 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, an adaptive suspension system, and upgraded brakes. We haven't tested that model yet, but BMW says it will hit 60 in 5.2 seconds, but we think it'll be even quicker than that. When we test it, we'll update this story with details. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates that the X1 xDrive 28i should deliver 25 mpg city and 34 mpg highway. The M35i model doesn't have fuel economy estimates yet. When we have a chance to test the X1 on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, we'll update this story with the results. For more information about the X1's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the X1 sports a modern interior design that includes such features as a toggle switch shift lever, a floating center console, and an all-digital dashboard. Designer elements pepper the cabin, including textured speaker grills and available eucalyptus open-pore wood trim. All models come with dual-zone automatic climate control, ambient interior lighting, and a power lift gate. A panoramic sunroof, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel are all options. Infotainment and connectivity. BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system is integrated into its smallest SUV. Like the larger 9 electric SUV and the flagship 7 Series sedan, the X1's digital dashboard is a crisp-looking single panel that serves as both a gauge display and an infotainment screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, as is Sirius XM satellite radio. A wireless smartphone charging pad is optional, and the premium package adds a head-up display, a Harman/Kardon stereo system, and a 360-degree exterior camera system. Safety and driver assistance features. All X1s come standard with basic driver assistance features such as automated emergency braking and parking sensors, but more advanced tech is optional, including a self-parking feature and adaptive cruise control with lane centering. For more information about the X1's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring, available adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature, warranty and maintenance coverage. BMW's limited warranty and powertrain protection are ordinary for the class, but the company sweetens the deal with 3 years of free scheduled maintenance. The Lexus NX and Lincoln Corsair offer the same limited warranties, and they provide 6-year or 70,000-mile powertrain coverage, but both come with shorter periods of complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.